We are just hours away from jury deliberations beginning in the trial of Kyle Rittenhouse. Good evening. I'm Steve Shamraz, live outside the courthouse here in Kenosha County, where the case that has been in the national spotlight for weeks now enters its final phase. First thing in the morning, 12 jurors will come together and decide the fate of the teen who killed 2 men and injured a third during demonstrations and rioting last summer, not far from where we stand here tonight. Prosecutors and the defense spent this day making their final points during closing arguments. Tom Durian joins me now. He's also here in Kenosha with the recap.
Yeah, Steve, this overnight break is really going to give those jurors some time to think about the more than 6 hours of closing arguments and jury instructions that were given today before they make their decision in this case.
When the defendant provokes the incident, he loses the right to self-defense. You cannot claim self-defense against a danger you create.
The issue of self-defense is key in this case. Neither side disputes Kyle Rittenhouse shot 3 people, killing 2, but whether it was reasonable to use deadly force or not is what the jurors will have to decide.
What has Kyle Rittenhouse done? Nothing. Trying to get away from the mob.
Video of the shootings played a big part in the closing arguments, as it has in the trial. One by one, both sides took the jurors back to that scene in August of 2020.
He shot an unarmed man 4 times because he was so scared that Mr. Rosenbaum was going to take the gun away from him when it was attached to him.
Rittenhouse's defense attorneys argued he was being chased and forced to shoot, appearing to allude here to Kenosha police officer Rustin Shesky's shooting of Jacob Blake, a shooting where the officer was never charged.
And he shoots until the threat is immobilized. Ladies and gentlemen, other people in this community have shot somebody 7 times, and it's been found to be okay. And my client did it 4 times.
The jury will get to decide on lesser charges in this case, meaning they can convict Rittenhouse on charges that carry a lower burden of proof and sentence.
The founders of our country gave you, and you alone, the power and the duty to decide this case based solely on the evidence presented in this court.
When the jurors do deliberate, they will have fewer charges to take into consideration. This morning, Judge Schrader dropped the possession of a dangerous weapon charge, a misdemeanor, but a charge seen to be most likely to garner a conviction.
It's not up for Mr. Rittenhouse to be the judge, the jury, and eventually the executioner.
Kyle Rittenhouse shot Mr. Rosenbaum because he was attacking Kyle. Every person who was shot was attacking Kyle.
So those jurors will be back here tomorrow morning at 9 o'clock. That is also when they will whittle down the 18 jurors to 12 who will ultimately decide Kyle Rittenhouse's fate. Steve?
All right, Tom Durian, thank you.